Mike. I run a personal training studio in Seattle. I highly recommend Megan's program. I use it for myself and also with a number of my personal training clients. The videos that accompany each of the exercises are clear and easy to understand.
My name is Michael Hayes. My favorite exercise has always been the pull-up. My problem was I could never get my chin over the bar. I do pull-ups because at the age of 61, it keeps me young.
Hi, my name's Cameo Morningstar, and I started Megan's pull-up program right after it launched last year. I had been trying desperately to get to my goal of 10 pull-ups, and prior to doing Megan's program, I did about 3 to 5 on average. Pretty wobbly, just squirming my way up over the bar. And by the end, I was able to do my 10 pull-ups. I can't say enough good things about the way she coaches. Her videos are incredibly informative. It's so inspiring to watch somebody who is very, very knowledgeable and also very, very fit demonstrate what they want you to do.
Hey guys, Emily here of Emily Ledford Fitness and Nutrition, and I just want you to know how much I believe in Megan Calloway's Ultimate Pull-Up Program. I've implemented the things I've learned from her program for my own clients, and let me tell you, yes, it works for them as well. So whether you're a person that's like already doing lots of pull-ups, or you're just wanting to get that first pull-up, this is the amazing program that you need. One way I know I'm strong, I pull up.